It's time to eat, baby. We're cooking with the NASCAR Chef John Dicks.
We'll get through it.
Oh, so what's in the Kiss tacos this week here, John?
With our Kiss shrimp tacos, it's very simple. We're going to start with 1 pound of fresh raw shrimp. You want to peel it and take the tails off. 2 tomatoes, chop them up. 1 onion, chop it up. 1 clove of garlic, make sure it's minced. 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro, and 2 jalapenos. And you make sure you chop them up and deseed them if you don't want it really, really hot. But you can leave them in if you want. I use 1 red and 1 green, and that gives them kind of some pretty color. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, seasoning to taste, and about 10 to 12 flour tortillas. Now, guys, in a skillet, what you're going to do is you're going to heat up the olive oil and saute the vegetables and the garlic. All right. Now, when your onions get translucent and the tomatoes get wilted, then you're going to add your shrimp and your cilantro. Now, you want to keep stirring it because the shrimp needs to get pink. You need to cook it real good. It'll only take a couple minutes, though. You don't want to overdo your shrimp. Just as long as the shrimp is pink, it's done. Then, guys, you're going to spoon it into the mixture, into the tortillas, and serve it. It is that simple. That's why we call it the Keep It Simple, Stupid Shrimp Tacos.
Yeah.